Hi, it is the 17th day of quarantine or home quarantine here in the Philippines. Hi, it is now the 17th day of home quarantine here in Misamis City due to COVID-19. And it's all over Facebook, it's all over Instagram and YouTube on how to make Dalgona coffee. I'm not a coffee lover, but I will join in the trend. So we're going to use coffee from Batam, Indonesia. It is already brewed. And we are going to use our local product, the Coco Sugar from Municipal Women Federation of Plaridel Incorporated. So this product comes from Plaridel. So here's how we're going to make it. We pour in the coffee. Coco sugar, 5 tablespoons to make it extra sweet. This recipe is for 4 servings. And pag-whip niya, dili kaayo tsada because we are using the coco sugar. So, dili kayo siya froth. We have ice in our glass. Pour the milk. And then, let's have our coffee on top. Dili lagi. Dili yun siya froth. Because of the coco sugar, it must be white sugar. Pangit, oy. Sayang akong effort. So, mura na gyud siya og coffee and milk nga drink. Kay dili kaayo frothy ang atong nahimo because of the coco sugar again. It must be white sugar. So, tuan na lang itong tilawan. Coffee and milk ragid siya. And that is Dalgona Coffee. Thank you for watching.